What is up, everybody? Starting this video off today at work, and I'll show you why. Just 1 second. Oh, okay, they won't let me do the thing, but look at that. It's beautiful up there, isn't it? Yeah, that's true. That's true. But that. Oh, no. Okay. This is what I get to see at work every day. Now it's funny, look over there, and then over there. Anyways, on to the rest of the video. Anyways. Bleh. So, Miata is gone. I sold it. Got tired of it. I wanted money to pour into 2 different projects that I have. So, number 1 is I am building a gaming computer. My Xbox just keeps having issues. I'm tired of messing with it. And the thing about building the computer is instead of using my phone for all these videos, I can start using my camera and then upload everything to the computer and edit from there. So I'll be able to use actual editing software and not this rinky-dink little app that I've got. And it'll make things easier. And then the second project, which I'm much more excited about, is the Mustang. Some of you know, some don't, that last year, July 14th, one of my best friends passed away in a motorcycle accident. And he had a 93 Fox body Mustang and like an 87 or 86 Mercury Capri. The Capri had a V8, Mustang had a 4-cylinder that was automatic. He was going to take the V8, put it in the Mustang with the 5-speed. So his parents messaged my wife and I and asked us if we would take on the project, and they would give us the Capri and Mustang for free. So, I mean, of course we accepted, and we moved just shortly after that. So I've got a garage and everything now, but yeah, that's the project. The V8's in already. We got the swaps in. Needs just a few wires. I'm figuring out the fuel system right now. I just dropped the tank and took the pump out. We need to get a fuel sock and a new hose. So after we get it running, we are going to probably rebuild the carburetor if it needs it. I'm not sure yet. I only ran that carburetor for like 5 minutes before we took the motor out. So that we're going to do all new suspension. We're going to get some nice wheels, and we are going to look at getting some kind of racing seat or some kind of bucket to replace the seat that's in there now because it's garbage. And just, whatever money I have left over is going to go into the Mustang project. And so, anyways, started a new job. I went and got my Class B CDL and passenger endorsement, bus endorsement. And I'm working for the Quileute Tribal School down in La Push. Hopefully going to be bus driving. Right now I'm just training, doing like custodial maintenance, stuff like that. But I interview on Thursday, which this video could be out Thursday, for the bus driving and open gym positions, which pays very well. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, I know this is a short video. I know there's not much of an update. I know that the people that actually watch my videos are going to want to see more and see what I've been doing. And in the next video, I might actually do like a throwback to some of the videos I've taken that I haven't posted yet. So we will see. Anyways, I got to get back to work. Lunch break is over. See you later, guys.